A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're trying to check your bill details on the Giffgaff app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Giffgaff app. Launch the Giffgaff app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your bill details. Step 2. Navigate to Account. Once you're in the app, look for the Account tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings and billing information. Step 3. Select Billing. In Account section, find and select the Billing option. This will take you to a page where you can view your current bill details and usage. Step 4. Review bill details. On the billing page, you can see your bill amount, due date, and any additional charges. Take a moment to review this information for accuracy. Step 5. Check for notifications. Lastly, check for any notifications related to your bill. Sometimes, there may be alerts about upcoming payments or changes in your plan. Just a heads up, if you don't see the billing option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Happy checking!